Hi everyone, welcome to the session. In this session, I will continue tabular data interpretation problem, and these are some of the important model. Listen carefully. First of all, you need to read the information which is provided in the question, and after that, you need to solve the questions accordingly. First of all, the information which is provided in this session is in this tableau diagram is monthly bill of four commodities: landline phone, electricity, laundry, and mobile phone, paid by three different people in five different months. Here, this information is very interesting and very somewhat lengthy information which is provided in this table. Here, the information is for monthly bill of four commodities. There are total four commodities. One is landline phone, one is electricity bill, one is laundry bill, and fourth one is mobile phones. These are the four different bills that are there in this section, and all these four bills paid by three different persons: Ravi, Dev, and Manu. Ravi, Dev, and Manu, and one more information is also given over a different period of months, that is from March, April, May, June, July. This is not year, this is month. This is months. These are the 5 months, and given that all the values in the table in terms of rupees, each and every bill in terms of rupees. So accordingly, you need to solve the questions. Unless and until you need to if you doesn't read the information carefully, you might be unable to solve this particular kind of section. So first read the information carefully, and then only you can go for problems. Here the first question is, once you understand, guys, once you understand the information, problems are very easy to get the result, right? What is the total amount of bill paid by Dev? What is the total amount of bill paid by Dev in the month of June? In the month of June, for all four commodities. In the month of June. In the month of June means that is fourth one, and we are talking about Dev. We are talking about Dev, and Dev in the month of June. You need to take care of all the bills paid by Dev in the month of June. You need to add all those values. That is your result. That's it. Here, first one, Dev is middle person, landline. For landline, the amount is 123. For landline, the amount is 123. And second one, for electricity Dev value. This is Dev. Electricity Dev value in the month of June, that is 150. Whereas coming to laundry Dev value 324. 324. And last one, mobile phones, Dev 134. 134. Now you can add all these values. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. And next, 3 plus 1, 4. 6. 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. Next, 1 plus 1, 2. 3, 4, 7. 731. 731, that is the required answer. Option C. It means the total bill amount paid by Dev in the month of June for all four commodities like landline. One is landline, one is electricity, one is laundry, and the another one is mobile phone. All together, the value is 731 rupees. 731. Option C is the right answer for this question. Let's move on to the next question. What is the average electricity bill paid by? Average electricity bill. You need to calculate the average electricity bill paid by which person? Manu. Manu, and also you are talking about electricity bill. Manu, you are talking about electricity bill over all 5 months together. Over all 5 months together. Whenever you are calculating average, you must be keep one point, that is average is nothing but sum of observations by number of observations. Average is equal to sum of observations by number of observations. Now it is very easy to get the result once you understand the question. Here you are calculating the average of electricity bill paid by Manu from all 5 months together. Here first month value. First month value is March, that is 315. After that 135. Here you need to check it out these 5 values. You need to write these 5 values. And next 98. And next 116. And next 131. Divided by number of values. Number of months we have. That is 5. Now you can add all those values and get the result. 5 plus 5. 10, 18, 19, 25. 2 is the carry forward. 2 plus 1, 3, 6. 6 plus 9, 15, 16, 16 plus 3, 19. 1 is carry forward. 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7. 795 divided by 5. 795 divided by 5, you can cancel with 5 table. Definitely it will cancel. Here 5 ones are 5 ones are 5, and next 29. 29 means 5 5s 25. 4 is carry forward, and again 45. 45 means 5 9s. Therefore, your required answer is 159 rupees. 159 rupees, that is option C. Option C. Therefore, average electricity bill paid by Manu over all 5 months together, that is 159 rupees. Option C is the right answer. Let's move to the next question. Third one. What is the difference between the mobile phone bill paid by Ravi? Mobile phone means that is last one, and that too we are talking about Ravi. In the month of May, what is the value of Ravi in the month of May? That is 143. May is third one. March, April, May 143. And next laundry bill paid by Dev. Laundry bill, that is this one, paid by Dev. Which month we are talking about? March. March value of Dev for laundry, that is 323. 323. 323. Now you need to calculate the difference between these two. What is the difference between these two? 3 minus 3 is 0, and 12 minus 4 8, and next 2 minus 1 1, 180. Therefore, the required difference between those two values is 180 rupees. Option A is the right answer. Option A. See, if you understand the information, the problems are this much of easy, right? Let's see the fourth question. In which months, respectively, did Manu pay second highest mobile phone bill and lowest electricity bill? Here, observation is important. To solve these kind of problems, no need of doing any kind of calculations, but observation of values is very important. In which months respectively? The word respectively plays a major role. Once you reverse the values, definitely it will be, there is a chance of getting negative values, right? So, here you need to calculate like this only in the same order as that of question. Manu pays the Manu. We are talking about Manu, that is third person. Second highest mobile phone. Second highest mobile phone. That is mobile phone is this one. Manu. Second highest. What is the second highest value? Highest value among all these 5. 345, 325, 332, 125, 543. 543 is highest, but second highest is 345. 345, that is in the month of March. In the month of March. So, one value is March. First value is March. So, you can eliminate option A and option B as well. Now, you will be left over with March and June, March and May. Now, Once look at the second one which is given, lowest electricity bill. Electricity bill. We are talking about electricity and the person Manu, lowest value. Lowest value among all the values. Here if you observe carefully, this is a two-digit number, remaining all four are three-digit numbers. So obviously less value is in the month of May. In the month of May. Therefore our required answers are March and May. If you observe carefully, here we don't have any kind of calculation. We don't have any kind of calculation. Only thing is March and May observation. Here, which month? Whenever we are solving these kind of problems, you will get the answer within seconds, but you need to be in a position to observe the things in a quick manner. That is very important. So our required answer is March and May. Option D is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. March and May. Last question in this session. See here. Here the information is what is the respective ratio between electricity bill paid by. Here we need to find the ratio between what? Electricity bill paid by Manu. Electricity bill paid by Manu in the month of April and mobile phone bill paid by Ravi in the month of June. Here the first value electricity bill this one, and next Manu, we are talking about Manu, and next month is April value, that is 135. First value is 135 is 2, and next mobile phone bill, that is last one. Who is the person? Ravi is the person, and the month which we are talking about, that is June, that is last but one. 245. 245. Now you can cancel with 5 table, you will get the result. Here 5 2s are 10, and next 35 means 5 7s are is 2. Again you can cancel with 5. 5 4s are 20, 45. 5 9s are 27 is to 49. These two will not cancel. 27 is to 49. Option A is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. Guys, in this way you can easily solve the problems related to any kind of tabular data interpretation if you understand the information. Here if you look at the table, that particular table is looking like a very lengthy table, but the problems which we are solving is very easy, right? So whenever you are understanding the information, that particular table which is provided, then you can easily solve each and every problem, right? So I hope you understand each and every problem in this session now, and thank you very much for watching.